Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you love paper crafting as much as I do, I know you love all them great sales, and today I have some exciting sales to share with you and some coupon codes made specifically for you. This is going to be a fun video. Enjoy. So today I have this mega die sets haul to share with you, and also some coupon codes. That's right, CraftStash is having a mega sale on their European brands, and I have some coupon codes to share with you. So let me go ahead and share those codes with you right here and now, and I will also link you to them, link you to CraftStash in the description area underneath my YouTube video, and I will also pop something right along there so you don't miss out on those coupon codes. So you get 20% off when you spend $65, and we're talking US dollars, and the offer is applied at checkout when using code 20SAVE. And you also get 25% off when you spend $80, offer applied at checkout when using code 25SAVE, and you will get 35% off when you spend $100 or more, offer applied at checkout when using code 35SAVE. Now, because this is in English time, I went ahead and took the liberty to translate it to US times, and since I'm in Texas, I'm going to give you the Central Standard Time. So the sale begins Saturday, and this is Texas time, Central Standard Time. The sale begins Saturday at 2 a.m. Central and ends on Sunday evening at 6:59 p.m. Central. So if you need to translate that to California time or New York time, you know that I have read you the Central Time. Once again, sale begins Saturday at 2 a.m. Central, and it ends on Sunday at 6:59 Central Time. So let's go ahead and get right to these. I'm going to try to go as quickly as possible, and I tell you, when CraftStash sent me all these wonderful dies, I had no idea of the sizes that I'd be getting. I mean, you get so much bang for your bucks with these dies, ladies and gentlemen. Look, when you first look upon them, see, these are my hands, and this is the size of the die. Not only would you be able to create labels, not only would you be able to create cards, A2 size cards, 5x7 cards, but look over here, and this is what I plan to do with these. You will also be able to create mini albums. Look, I love these sizes because you are getting a lot of bang for your buck with these new creative craft product dies. And in this particular set, you're going to get 8 dies. These are, let's see, it's called the largest die set, and it gives you the size in centimeters. And so, but this is the item number. Let me go ahead and do it like so, and I'm so sorry about the glare. Like I said, I'm going to try and go as quickly as possible. I also have this other die set that not only can you create labels, can you create pockets, but you'll also be able to create some mini album pages with this. And this one is called the largest die size. Let's see, scalloped square die set. Oh, and this one is called a scallop rectangular die set. You get 11 dies in this one, and this is the style number. And moving along once again from small to humongously large, you get this scallop circles die set. You get 12 dies in this die set, and this is the style number to it. And over here we have the scallop octagon die set, in which you get a set of 10 dies. You can make anything from easel cards, smaller to larger size cards. You even have a stop sign there, and you can create mini albums with these too. A lot of bang for your buck. And so this is a style number to it, and I will go ahead and have these listed also in the description area of my YouTube video. And so this one is called the scalloped oval die set, where you get 10 dies, and oh my gosh, look, you just get so much bang for your buck. And I know I'm repeating myself, but it's true. Right here is the style number to this, and here we have, and I think this is great for one of those tag mini albums or tag pocket happy mail thingamajiggies. And so this is called the Tags Die Set by Creative Craft Products, and this is the style number to it, or the item number to it, I'm sorry. And this one is called the Scallop Hexagon Die Set. You get a set of 9 dies here, and over here, this is the style number. And oh my gosh, I love the size of this heart. I'm like, I can't wait to make a mini album with that, because you know I love shaped mini albums. And this is called the Scallop Hearts Die Set. And look, you get them from small to medium size, and then it just goes larger and larger. You get a total of 6 dies over here, and this is the style number to this set. And over here, we get some perfect pendant. I think this would make a great pendant. And so this is called the bunting die set. You get a set of 9 dies with this. And this is the style number. And over here we have some stars. This one is called the Scallop Star Die Set, and I think this is great if anyone is having an Independence Day party. And so on 4th of July weekend, check this out. You get a total of 5 dies with the Scallop Stars Die Set, and this is the item number to it. And over here we have even more pendant dies. I'm calling them pendant dies. They call them the Scallop Bunting Die Set. You get a set of 4 dies here, and this is the item number. And over here, now this, when I first saw it, I was like, ooh, I wonder what this is. This is a circle stepper card, y'all. I love to make stepper cards. The only thing about stepper cards is that you have to take exact measurements, and you have to do a lot of the scoring, and then you have to figure things out and so forth. Guess what? They did all the work for me here. You just basically follow the diagram that they have for you right there. And this is the style number to it. I can't wait to make a stepper card with this one. And over here, we have this beautifully shaped scallop stepper card. Once again, they went ahead and did all the work for us. And so over here, you get a total of 13 dies. And this is the style number to it. And oh, you want to go ahead and check them out. Do your shopping this weekend, because you are going to be racking in on those savings. Raking in the savings, I mean. And this one, for me, I am planning on doing a tag mini album with this. This is called the Scallop Tags Die Set. You get a total of 6 dies. And this is the item number. And over here, this one is actually a center stepper easel card die set. Just look at how much you're getting over here. They do the scoring for you. They do the measuring for you. You get a total of 13 dies in this die set. And this is the item number. And last but not least, we have the Step on Up one. It is a double gatefold card. Once again, they went ahead and did the work for us here. They did the panels, they did the scoring marks, they've done everything. You get a total of 9 dies in this die set, and you just follow the directions here, and this is the item number. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun, and I just love it when CraftStash designers do all the work for us. Because Yes, these are so super easy to create with. Now remember, look in the description area of my video for your coupon codes, and remember the savings times in US is going to be sale begins Saturday at 2 a.m. Central and it ends on Sunday at 6:59 Central. And I hope to see you again once again real soon, okay? Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up my videos to let me know that you're enjoying my content, that you're enjoying my videos, and leave me a nice comment, okay? I'll see you once again real soon. My throat, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. For some reason, it's just scratchy today. Bye.